Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's chapter is Arithmetic Progression Part 3. It is 11th standard chapter. Now, in my previous class, we have done few sums from arithmetic progression. Now, we are going to start another thing, that is, suppose T1, T2, T3, Tn. Tn minus 1, Tn minus 2. Here, sum of the first term and last term, that is T1 plus Tn, equals to T2 plus Tn minus 1 equals to T3 plus Tn minus 2, where these are always equal. Sum of the first term and last term equal to sum of second term plus second last term, sum of third term and third last term. These are always equal. Here, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, ... Suppose here is 10, 10. Look here, 2 plus 10. First term and last term is 12. Second term and second last term is 12. Suppose this is 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. 4 plus 10 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. So therefore we can say sum of the first term and last term equals to sum of second term and second last term, sum of third term and third last term. These are always equal. Let's do one sum using this principle. Sum number 1. Find the sum of first 24 terms. You have to find sum of first 24 terms. How much? Of an AP, and it is given of an AP T1, T2, T3, Tn. It is known that T1 plus T5, it is given T1 plus T5 plus T10 plus T15 plus T20 plus T24 equals to 25. This is given. You have to find sum of the 24 terms. Here we can write T1 plus T24 plus T5 plus T20 plus T10 plus T15 equals to T25. So these T1 plus T24, first term and last, this should be, that is, these and this should be equal, these should be equal. That is, we can write 3 T1 plus T24 equals to 225. That is T1 plus T24 equals to 75. I am telling again, here T1 plus T2, whatever come, T5 plus T20 will same. That is T10 plus T15, that will be same. Therefore, we can write 3 T1 plus T20, because these and these are always equal. Now we got it. Now we have to find S24 equals to 24 by 2. First term, that is A plus L. A is T1, L is 24. T24. We know this is the first term and this is the last term. So n by 2, A plus L. Sn equals to n by 2, A plus L. Using this formula, we are getting this, that is 12. T1 plus T24 is 75. That is equals to 900. That is the sum of 24 terms of this series. Next, sum number 2. Question number 2. Sum of first P, Q and Rth term of an AP is ABC. Here given SP equals to small a and SQ equals to small b and SR equals to small c. This is given. Sum of first pth term, qth term, rth term is a, b, c. You have to prove this. Let a be the first term. Let capital A be the first term and capital D be the common difference. Here is A equals to first term, that is SP. We know SP equals to P by 2a plus P minus 1 into capital D equals to small a, that is half into 2a plus P minus 1 into B equals to A by P. This is 1. And Q by 2a plus Q minus 1 into capital D equals to B. That is implies half of 2a plus Q minus 1 into D equals to B by Q. This is 1, this is 2. Another, this is Q by 2. SR, R by 2a plus R minus 1 into capital D equals to C. That implies half of 2a plus R minus 1 into capital D equals to C by R. Now, left hand side you have to prove this A by P. A by P, this is A by P. Value of A by B is half 2a plus P minus 1 into capital D, A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q এর value is half 2a plus B by Q এর value Q minus 1 into capital D into R minus P plus half C by R এর value, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, half 2a plus R minus 1 into capital D into P minus Q. That is taking half common, 2a into this, that is Q minus R plus 2a into this means R minus P plus half is common, 2a into this, that is P minus Q plus taking B common, this into this, that is PQ minus PR minus Q plus R plus Q into this QR minus PQ minus R plus P plus D into this into this, that is PR minus QR minus P plus Q. That is half 2a into minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q plus Q plus PQ minus PQ minus PR plus PR minus Q plus Q minus R plus R minus QR plus QR into D plus D2, this into 0 plus D into 0 equals to half into 0, that is 0 root. The value of this is got 0. Next, sum number 3. Question number 3. Pth term of AP is A, Qth term is B. Here, question number 3. TP is A and PQ is B. We have to find sum of SP plus Q. You have to get this. Here, let A be the first term. Let capital A be the first term and capital D be the common difference. Here, TP means TP means Pn A plus n minus 1. Here A plus P minus 1 in A is capital A, first term. A plus P minus 1 into capital D. This equals to A. And TQ B. A plus Q minus 1 into capital D equals to B. Subtracting, this cancel, D is common. P minus Q equals to A minus B. Then D equals to A minus B by B minus Q. Keep it. Now putting the value of D in first one, we have to get A plus, adding this. This is 1, this is 2. Adding 1 and 2. That is A plus B. A plus B equals to 2A. This plus this. Plus D into P plus Q minus 2. Adding the A plus B, this 2A plus A, 2A, P plus Q, taking D common, minus 2. That is, you can write 2A plus D into P plus Q minus 1, minus, that is minus D. So A plus B equals to this. Then we can write from here A plus B plus D equals to 2A plus D into P plus Q minus 1. That is 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 equals to A plus, value of D put it here, A plus B plus B value A minus B by P minus Q. This is the value of this. Now we have to find ASP plus Q. So ASP plus Q equals to P plus Q by 2. 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into capital D. That is P plus Q by 2. Value of this is, put it here, A plus B plus A minus B by P minus Q. Hence proved. So A's P plus Q and value P plus Q by 2, A plus B, A plus A minus B by 2, A by P minus Q. Okay, let's do sum number 4. Sum number 4. Ratio of the sum of n terms. Sum number 4, n terms of two series. Let Sn and Sn dash, two series, nth term of two series, named Sn and Sn dash, nth term of two series, whose first term is A1 and A2 of this series, and A1 and A2 first term common difference is D1 and D2. First, A1 be the first term of Sn, A2 be the first term of Sn dash, D1 be the common difference of Sn, and D2 be the common difference of Sn dash. Now, ratio of the sum of nth term of two AP series is what? Now here Sn by Sn dash equals to n by 2 2a1 first of 2a plus n minus 1 into capital B1 by it is the sum of a second series এর nth টার্মের n by 2 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. This is the nth term of Sn, that is n by 2. Nth term of Sn dash is also n by 2 n minus, that is nth term of second series. Then this and this cancel. That we can write 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. Ratio of the two AP is given. This equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. This is given. Sn by S1, Sn by S1 is given. Ratio of the two terms, sum of two terms is given. Now put n equals to 2m minus 1. Put. If we put n equals to 2n minus 1, then we can write 2a1 plus 2n minus 2 into d1 by 2a2 plus 2m minus 2 into d2 equals to put 7 2m minus 1 plus 1 by 4 2m minus 1 plus 27. Take 2 common. A1 plus m minus 1 into A1 by 2 common. A2 plus m minus 1 into D2 equals to 14m minus 7 plus 1 by 8m minus 4 plus 2. 8m minus 4 plus 27. That equals to 14m minus 6 by 8n plus 23. This is cancelled. So this is the 14m minus 6 plus 8m plus 23. That is the ratio of the image. That is, this is Tm by ratio of the Tm by Tm dash. Suppose the ratio of the mth term of the two series. That is the ratio of the mth term of, suppose this is the mth term of first series, this is the mth term of second series. That is ratio of the two terms is given. That is a plus n minus 1 into, that is Tm, a2 plus n minus 1 is Tm dash. Suppose that is the ratio of the mth term of two AP series. Okay. Next, question number 5. Interior angle of a polygon. Interior angle of a polygon AP, smallest angle. Here, suppose smallest angle 120 and common difference 5 means next angle will be 125, next 130, next 135, like this. The angle will be like this. As for smallest angle is this, then second angle is this, third angle, because common difference is 5. And we know interior angle of a polygon, sum of interior angle of a polygon 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, that is n minus 2 into 180. We know Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into b. The first term, we know here a equals to 120 and common difference d is 5. Put it here. This equals to n minus 2 into 180. You have to find number of sides. Value of n you have to find. That is n into 2 into a value 120 plus n minus 1 into 5 because 2 is coming here, that is 360 n minus 2. That is n. N 240 plus 5n minus 5 equals to 360 n minus 2. So n common, 235 plus 5n equals to 360 n minus 2. Take 5 common, then 5n, 47 plus n equals to 360 n minus 2, 72. That is n square plus 47n minus 72n plus 144 equals to 0. That is n square minus 25n plus 144 equals to 0. That is n square minus 19n minus 6n. 19n minus 6n plus 144 equals to 0. That is n minus 19, n minus 6 equals to 0. So n equals to 19 or 6. But if n is 19, we can write, put it here, n is 19, then Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. That is a is 105 plus 18 into 5. That is 105, 90. That is 195. It is absurd. This angle is 195. It will be absurd. As 190 is not possible. Therefore, which is not possible? Which is not possible. Because any polygon like this angle could not be 195. It always less than 80, it should be. Therefore, n equals to 6 is the right answer. Next, sum number 6. Question number 6. How many terms of an AP? Here, the series is given AP minus 6 minus 11 by 2 minus 5 and needed to give the sum is minus 25. Here given question number 6 is n equals to minus 25. This is given. We have to find number of terms. Let n be the number of terms whose sum is minus 25. And if the series is minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 dot dot dot. Here first term a is minus 6. Common difference d is minus 11 by 2. This is plus 6. That is half. Common difference is half and first term. The ASM in the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into b equals to minus 25. N by 2, 2a, that is minus 12, 2 into minus 6 plus n minus 1 into half equals to minus 25, that is n. Taking 2 from LCM, minus 24 plus n minus 1 equals to minus 52 is coming here. That is n minus 25 equals to minus 100. That is n square minus 25n plus 100 equals to 0. That is n square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 equals to 0. That is n minus 20, n minus 5 equals to 0. The value of n is 20 or 5. So you have to find the how many terms of this is needed to give the sum. Therefore, you have to find either number of terms is 20 or number of terms is 5. There are two number of terms will be there as it is decreasing series. increasing. It is increasing series because negative, and last of all will come 0 and then 1, 2 like this. That's all. Now there are 5 sums is done. Now please make a note of these sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.